morning, students. First of all, see syllabus for half-yearly exam of General Science is Chapter 1 Food we eat, Chapter 2 The teeth, Chapter 3 The digestive and excretory system, Chapter 4 Adaptation in animals, Chapter 7 Air, and Chapter 8 Materials and solutions. Let's start the revision of all the chapters. First chapter is Food we eat. In this chapter, this is test yourself. Take the correct option. 1. Which nutrient is needed most by the small children? A. Protein. B. Bread, rice, wheat, sugar and potato are examples of. Correct answer is A. Energy giving food. 3. It is the fibrous material present in cereals. Answer is A. Roughage. 4. Food items that are rich in carbohydrates and fats are known as. The correct answer is energy giving food. Now fill in the blanks. 1. Dash excretes waste in the form of urine and sweat from the body. That is water. Sugar and starch are two types of carbohydrates. 3. Small children need more protein because they are growing all the time. 4. Food also contains roughage and water. 5. A person eating too much fat can suffer from obesity. Now, let's start question round. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Dash are the chief sources of energy. Answer is food. 2. Meat, eggs and spinach are rich in proteins. Proteins are the food meant for growth and development. Dash contains all the nutrients in the right amount. Balanced diet. 5. Food rich in vitamins and minerals protect our body from diseases. Question number B. Change the underlined words to make the sentences correct. 1. We must drink 8 to 10 glasses of juice every day. The answer will be water. 2. Too much of proteins can cause obesity. Answer is fats. 3. Carbohydrate is that part of food that cannot be digested. Roughage. Vitamins help to keep our body warm. Answer is fats. Iron, calcium and potassium are vitamins. Answer is minerals. C. Write true or false. 1. Food items rich in carbohydrates are energy giving food. True. 2. Vitamins and minerals are known as protective food. True. Roughage is the digestible portion of the food derived from plants. False. Vitamins are also known as dietary fibers. False. Fats are reservoirs of energy in the body. True. Now question number D. Answer these questions in 1 or 2 lines. 1. What are the main sources of bodybuilding food? The main source of bodybuilding food is proteins. What are proteins and vitamins? See page number 5. This is the vitamins. Food that protect our body from diseases and keep us healthy and strong is called vitamins. Here is the protein. Food that is needed for the growth and development of our body is called proteins. Now, next question is, what is the role of water in digestion? See page number 5. This is the answer. Water is essential for life. It helps in the digestion of food, to excrete waste in the form of urine and sweat from the body, and to maintain the body temperature. Now, question number 4. Give any 3 examples of energy giving foods: bread, rice and oil. What are the uses of? And question number 5 and 6 you do yourself. Question number E. Answer these questions in detail. 1. How can we prevent the wastage of food? We can prevent wastage of food by following given ways. See page number 6. Here is the answer. 1. Not buying fruits and vegetables in excess. Number 2, by using soft or soggy fruits can be used to make desserts. 3, not taking in excess quantity to avoid wastage. 4, maintaining the correct temperature in refrigerator. And 5, keep your kitchen well organized. Now, next is, what is roughage? How is roughage useful to the body? The answer is here. This point will be roughage. Answer of question number 2. Question number 3. What do you understand by the term balanced diet? And the answer is here. E3. Write it. Now, question number 4. Write a short note on vitamins. See page number 5. Here. You see it yourself. Let's start revision of chapter 2, the teeth. Here is test yourself. Choose the correct option and fill in the blanks. 1. Dash is the hardest substance in our body. Answer is enamel. 2. The part of a tooth which is present inside our gums is called the pulp. 3. There are a total of 4 premolars in each jaw. Now, question round. A. Take the correct option. 1. The type of permanent teeth used for tearing the food are canines. To keep your teeth healthy, and the answer is brush your teeth in the morning and at night. 3. Which type of teeth are used when you bite into a guava? And the answer is incisors. 4. A set of temporary teeth consists of 20 teeth in all. 5. Which of the following is the result of decaying teeth in digestion? Now question number B. Fill in the blanks. 1. We use dental floss for cleaning between 2 teeth. 2. The visible white part of a tooth is called crown. 3. Herbivores have well developed premolars and molars for chewing and grinding their food. 4. A newborn baby has no teeth. 5. The sticky thin layer formed by bacteria on teeth is called plaque. Now C. Write true or false. 1. Teeth help us to speak properly. True. 2. There are a total of 26 milk teeth in a child. False. Crown, neck and root are the 3 parts of a tooth. True. 4. An adult has 32 milk teeth. False. 5. Temporary set of teeth are replaced by permanent set of teeth. True. Now question number D. Answer these questions in 1 or 2 sentences. 1. What is plaque? How is it formed? See here. Plaque. This is the answer of plaque. A thin sticky layer formed by bacteria on teeth. Now, how is it formed? See here, page number 13. The bacteria form a thin sticky layer on our teeth is called plaque, and the bacteria slowly make a hole in the teeth. Sorry, question number 1 is what is plaque and how is it formed? Its answer is here. A thin sticky layer formed by bacteria on teeth is called plaque, and it is formed by bacteria. Question number 2. Define permanent teeth. How many teeth does an adult have? See page number 11. Here is the permanent teeth. Milk teeth are replaced by a new set of bigger teeth called permanent teeth. And there are 32 permanent teeth. Now, Question number 3. Which type of teeth do carnivores use to tear the flesh? Sharp, canines. Question number 4. Name the 3 layers of a tooth. Enamel, dentine and pulp. 5. What is the hardest substance in human beings? The hardest substance in human beings is enamel. Question number E. Answer these questions in detail. 1. How are teeth useful to us? See here. This is the answer of question number 1. Now question number 2. How can you take care of your teeth? See page number 13. Here is the answer of question number 2. These are the points. You write it. Now, question number 3. How are cavities found in our teeth? See page number 13. Here is the answer. The bacteria slowly make a hole in the teeth. Then they infect the dentine and finally the pulp, which causes cavities. Now, question number 4. What are the functions of incisors and canines? Why do? This answer will be on page number 11. Incisors and canines. You will do this. Now, second part is, why do herbivores have well developed premolars and molars? See page number 12. Here is the answer. Write this as the answer. Now, question number 5. Draw a well-labeled diagram of the structure of tooth and explain it in detail. See page number 12. This is the figure. Draw it and write the answer from here.